Okay, we made it to Leica's headquarters, factory, whatever this is. It's kind of pretty, actually. It's very Germanly pristine, I must say. But I'm excited to go inside. Let's check it out. But first, so there's a lovely cafe here in Leica called Cafe Lights. And it's also very Germanly pristine in here, very white. As you can see, they brought us in here and we're having just some lattes. And I guess we're going to start our tour in about 30 minutes. But I've got to say, this is the best smelling cafe I've ever been in my entire life. I could just live in here. It's fantastic. I don't even know what it smells like. It's just like chocolatey cookies. I don't know. It's really good. Look at these guys.
So these guys are all going crazy. Today you will hear less of Huawei voice and more of the voice of our partner, Leica. I think today is one of the days that you guys are most excited about to come here. So I can guarantee you will not be disappointed.
First of all, I will give you a short overview about what we do here, what Leica camera is all about, and after this I will show you a little bit more details about our factory, where our company is working, where our camera is made. Photography came into our house was because of this man here, Oscar Bana. He realized that none of the cameras in this time were able to use the 35mm film. So he decided to create a new film camera. Before this time, you've got a lot of pictures, family pictures, where the man will stand still. Sometimes the women sit on a chair and no one was smiling because they used very heavy plate cameras. And these plate cameras got an exposure time from 9 minutes. I'm a very happy person actually, but I'm not able to smile 9 minutes without moving. Or in this time it was something very special to create a picture where the people are moving. Production of an aspherical element took us around 4 hours, average is 4 hours. And the longest lens we produced took us 12 hours until we finished the lens. After this step, we need to center our lenses because we once got an optical center, chemical center as well. So the middle of the lens is not the optical center. Sometimes the lens is filled in with like 15 elements, and on each element we got a light reflection from 8%, we get no light left on the sensor. So we need to make sure that a special material get evaporated in the vacuum and the dusk is going on the lenses, and after this step we got a light reflection from 0.4%. Here it's very important that you put in enough glue, but it shouldn't be too much glue, because we need to make sure that no droplets come out of the edges. Otherwise we got some problems with assembling our lenses. And we need to make sure that no bubbles are between the elements. Otherwise, the pictures are unsharp.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, so only have like 2 seconds because we're running late to the bus, but Leica was cool, as you can tell. Super nerdy, super interesting though to me, hopefully to you guys. But now we're heading to go actually recreate the first ever Leica photo in a small town nearby. And then we ended up going to dinner and kind of hanging out at the hotel bar and just kind of chilling. I didn't get any footage of that because it just didn't feel right. But if you guys enjoyed that, it's the end of yet another day here in Europe. And tomorrow we will be leaving again super freaking early on a train this time to now go to Paris, which is cool. I haven't been to Paris since I was like 9. So like, basically I've never been to Paris. But yeah, going to bed. Hope you guys enjoyed this again. And I'll see you in Paris. Good night.